Huh. Sensibly driving. There's two good reasons for riding on this side. So these parked cars give you the danger of having a door opened on you, and it's a very good place to come alongside and see if anyone's on the phone. Like, I don't feel very comfortable riding where he is. Being doored is one of the biggest causes of killed and seriously injured cyclists in London. So actually it's a very important one to avoid. So yeah, I'm not very keen in riding where those cyclists are, simply because I don't think it's very wise. There's somebody crossing. Oh no, it was her. Like, this guy's not looking anywhere, but actually might have just picked up his phone there. This lady looks eyes down. Do you really not have anything better to do in traffic?
Sorry.
You know what's going to happen now, right?
Yeah, I do know. Yeah.
I saw you looking very good, thank you. Good driving there. Afternoon, sir, be lucky.